Hello, welcome back to Awkward Bob. It's been a while, but we're going to do a tech review today, and it's on this guy. Anyone out there tell me what this is? If you said power strip, you're partially correct. And you say, oh, well, okay, yeah, it's one of those USB charging. You can plug into those slots. That's also correct. But these four plugins are actually different than a normal power strip. This is actually a smart power strip brought to you by the company Teckin. So if you've seen mine or anyone else's wireless outlet reviews before, you'll know exactly what they do. And it's the same functionality. You can plug into any of these four outlets and control them together, or you can control them separately. So there's some different applications for this, and really what you use it for is up to you. I was trying to think of some applications for myself and what I would use it for, and I could see this being very useful in a Christmas village setting. If you set it up somewhere in your kitchen, you could set up a coffee maker and some lights and different things to it. So what you use this for is completely up to you, but there's loads of possibilities. In addition to it being a smart power strip, you do have these extra charging ports here. So a lot of functionality in this. You could use it as just a regular power strip, but there's so much more. So let's plug this in and try it out. To get started, you'll want to download the Smart Life app. The icon will look like this. You can get that in the Google Play or Apple Store. You pull it up, it'll look like this. You'll want to sign up and create an account. If you already have, go ahead and log in. So once you log in, you'll see all the devices that you've previously set up. If you've never set it up and this is your first time, that's fine too. You'll just go up here to the top right and press the plus. In this case, you will choose Power Strip Wi-Fi, and it will tell you to choose a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. If you have a 5 gigahertz setup, you would choose the 2.4. All right, once you've logged in and got to the next step, then power on this device, and you'll see everything's going to light up. Once that happens, you hit next. It says press and hold the indicator until the light blinks. Okay, light is now blinking. See it? So then you hit next. And once it's blinking, you'll check this box that says confirm indicator rapidly blink, and then click next. And it's adding the device now. All right, and it's finished. It says Smart Power Strip now. And you can rename this anything you want by clicking this pencil button right here. If you're fine with Smart Power Strip and you want to leave it there, you just click done. All right, this is where you can name each one of these something different. Switch 1 could be renamed to lamp. Switch 2 could be like fan. Whatever you're hooking up to these specific outlets, you can name them differently. So I am going to change this one to lamp and hit save. I'm going to change this one to fan. We're just going to do 2 for today's setup. Alright, let's go ahead and plug those things in. Alright, so I set up the lamp on plug 1, so we'll set up, that's the lamp plugged in. Plug in the fan and light 2, outlet 2 rather. Alright, this is the first thing you can do. If you don't have a Google Home, or you don't care about controlling your switch with your voice, then you can just use this app and click the power button. As you can tell, the lamp is now on. So we've turned that on, and we can turn it back off. You can also set a timer. tell it what time of day you want it to automatically turn on, what time of day that you want it to turn off, any of those settings. It's really easy to do. All right, let's try the fan that's on switch 2. And what you can also do is press all on or all off. If I want to see both the fan and the light turn on at the same time, I hit all on. If I want to turn everything off at once, I hit all off. As you can see, I didn't add these in Google Home. They automatically are linked because my Smart Life app is linked to it. But here's the fan. I can turn it on and off from here. The lamp. And I can do both at the same time with the Smart Power Strip. I don't know why it said it was calling when I did that. That's a weird little bug there. So when I press Smart Power Strip on, it says Smart Power Strip is calling. Alright, I don't know what that is. That's weird. Alright, so then these ones are the extra ones that we didn't set up. The 3, 4, and 5 there. Additionally, I can turn them on with my Google Home speaker. So let me try that real quick. Hey Google, turn on my Smart Power Strip. Smart Power Strip is calling. Hey Google, turn off the Smart Power Strip.
Turning Smart Power Strip off.
Alright, so all in all, I like it. That thing is weird, that it makes my phone think somebody's calling me when I turn the entire power strip on at once. I don't have any clue what that is. So that aside, you can use the individual outlets separately and they work just fine and don't do that weird bug. And if you set the timers, I'm sure it won't do that if you set them individually. So, bit of a weird one. I do like Wi-Fi outlets, and I like the functionality of being able to control more than one at once. I could see using this at Christmas time. I'll be honest, I'm stuck on what else I would use that for beyond a couple lamps maybe and a fan. If you have ideas of how you would use this power strip, leave it down in the comments below. I will say I did receive this power strip for free to review. With that being said, I always give my honest review. That seemed a little buggy, but other than that, it works like every other Wi-Fi outlet that I've ever used or set up. So I'll leave the link down in the description. You can go check it out for yourself, read Amazon reviews and see what you think. But that'll do it for this review on the Awkward Bob channel. Another tech review in the books. Thanks for joining me. Stay awkward.